Scrappy friends, it's Ashley, and today I am here with an unboxing for the Studio Calico August Golden Hour Traveler's Notebook Kit. This is the second kit and it's really pretty. It has a great insert, some fun stickers and embellishments. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is in the August kit. And you probably also noticed I have a little label here. I decided to use a label maker to put on the outside of my bags so I can keep up with what kit it is. If I run out or use everything that I have in my kit, this will easily peel off and then I can put something else on there if I want to, so it's not permanent. But I like to know which kit is in which bag, so that helps me to keep things organized. So, taking everything out. So this month, they have a little tape. It says masking tape. It's just a little washi tape. And this is a very thin tape compared to the one that was in the July kit. I'm just going to put that plastic over there. And you can see it's just kind of a pretty blue color. So that is great. It's just solid. There's no pattern or anything. That's great for using in your insert. You could use it on your photos, or you could actually, since that's so thin, it would be cool to use that for like your journaling lines. You could put it on your page and then kind of journal over it. That would be really cool. These are some little kind of tags and die cut pieces, kind of some ephemera, and there's a lot in here. And you can see once we get to the insert, this has a lot of the colors that are on the outside of the insert, which is really pretty. And I like that this has a mix of shapes. There's all different kinds of shapes. There's the square, rectangle, there's also some circles. And they just have some fun designs. I really like this one, the black with the gold flowers. And there's a pink one with a gold flower. Some little banner type style. And a little bit wider banner. These are really cute and they would be fun to decorate your pages with. I really like this one too with the little stripes. That's really cute. See if I can make those a little more concise. And then we have some stickers. Stickers are great in your traveler's notebook because they're flat and they don't take up a lot of space to add bulk inside your pages. You get 2 sheets of these. They're little kind of phrase stickers and then just patterns. The ones that have phrases say, today is the day, super important things, today's goal, today, tomorrow, someday. And then this one is another one. I always like these with the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Getting things done on today's schedule, tomorrow's another day, and today's accomplishments. And I really like the colors of this. I like that it has kind of the blues and yellows, a little bit of pink, orange, and then a darker pink. So that's really fun. These are some really big labels. And I really like these because these can be, well, let's see, they're actually stickers. So these are stickers. So you can actually stamp right on these and pull them out and put them in your traveler's notebook. You could journal on these. You could just put them in and then use some of the stickers to decorate over the top. So you have lots of options with these, and it still picks up that same color that you can see here from the sticker sheet with the kind of dark watermelon red color. So those are really fun. If you have a mega date stamp, it would be great to stamp your date on these using your mega date stamp. So I really like those. This is a another sticker sheet. This is just a clear sticker sheet. So you can see you have 6 different ones. This one just has some kind of text and then the ampersand, heart, just like a little fun kind of abstract pattern, some little stars, and then currently. And these would be great because once you put it on, all you're going to see is the black. So those are really fun to use also in your traveler's notebook insert. And then this is the stamp that comes in this month's kit. It is by In a Creative Bubble. And you can see that it has Seeker of Everyday Magic right now. And then this little tag. I like this one if you're doing a Harry Potter layout in your traveler's notebook. That would be cute for that. If you've gone to Universal. I think it's Universal that has the Harry Potter park. So that would be cute. Or if you are documenting the movies or reading the books, that would be fun to use. So that's a really cute stamp set. And then we have the Traveler's Notebook insert. And like I said, this one has a really pretty cover. It has the black and the florals on there. And I did not get the little month card in my Traveler's Notebook kit this time that gives you like the ink colors that coordinate and all that. But I was thinking when I was looking at the one for July, you could actually cut that if you wanted to from your card and then use that on the front of your album if you're doing it as a monthly album or a monthly insert. That would be a good idea. Just cut that because it always tells you what the date is, what month it's for, and what year on those little cards. So you could cut that out, and I think that's what I'm going to do on the one that I am working in for July. So let's look at the papers in the August Traveler's Notebook insert. And you have the little grid paper again with the white. A pretty kind of ombre pinky red paper. This one is cute, like a little schedule. So if you were doing a day in the life or something like that, this would be fun to kind of document those. Or if you're doing like a just a vacation or something like that, you could document and journal about each day or what's going on for those days. This is really cool. It kind of looks like a stamped pattern, and these colors kind of coordinate with what's on the front cover. So I really like those. And then of course this definitely coordinates with what's on the front cover. This kind of reminds me of like an Indian summer type thing. I don't know why, but it just does. And then this one is fun. It has the teal and it says this and that. It has the big ampersand. I always love ampersands. They're great. Kind of just a great generic design for scrapbooking or traveler's notebooks. And then you have these two with the lines already on this page if you wanted to journal here. And then this cute little kind of tag that's on the pattern paper. And this was one of my favorite designs in the July Traveler's Notebook insert. Just kind of this grid, light, kind of pinkish color. You can use this page for anything. And I actually want to use this page in my July Traveler's Notebook kit for some biking photos of the kids. And then you have kind of another ombre. This has kind of just a blue color where it goes from darker to lighter. Being rainbow, everybody loves a rainbow. I like the colors in this. They're a little more jewel toned instead of bright. So that's kind of fun that it's a little bit different like that. And this one is really cute. I like the little circle. You could add some stamping there, or you could actually use another one of the little die cuts from the die cut pack if you wanted to do that. Or one of the stickers could go across. So lots of options with that. This is fun. This is kind of like a ledger kind of style paper, and I like that it has the corner over here with the darker little melon color pink. And this is fun. This actually coordinates with the little sticker you have here, so it's that same pattern and design. So that's really fun. And I like that it's the black and white. And this is really cute. I like the stars. So I like how they're bringing in the same kind of patterns and colors. So there's the little star. You could actually use that in the center of the circle if you wanted to, or you could do a circle photo right here. That would be really fun. Just measure your circle, and then when you're printing your photo, just size it that same size in whatever publishing program you're using and print it out. And if you have a punch that size, you could actually punch your photo out or just fussy cut around it. This one is great, seize the day. So that's pretty much good for everyday photos, anything that you want to do on that one. I've got everything's in a mess over here on the side. All right, and then we've got this little polka dot pattern over kind of a beige background, and then this story which has some more journaling lines if you wanted to use that for journaling. And I like this color right here. It's kind of a golden yellow color. I really like that. And then this is another one that's kind of like the one we saw earlier with the more blues and purples, but I have to say this one is more my favorite because it has those colors that I love with the yellow, the darker pink, light pink, kind of an almost orangey color. So I really like that one. That one's fun. This one's cute. I like how it has both of these patterns with the little text, which also matches this other little sticker here. And then you kind of have the large frame around the outside of this one, so you could do some fun stuff with that layout. This is really cute. I'd love to have this in 12 by 12. That's a really cute pattern. It has kind of, it makes kind of little chevron patterns, kind of all going every which way. And it has the teal and then some little pops of color with like a navy and a gold, a darker pink and then a lighter pink. And then the grid design on the other side. And then this one's cute. It's really simple, but I like that it has the full color over here. And then it has an L and then love under that. So that's really cute. And then we're to the end, which has that same white and grid. So this has some really great patterns in it. You're kind of transitioning from the July kit, which was a lot of really bright colors, kind of summery, all the summer stuff going on. And this one's kind of starting to transition into not really fall, but you're starting to get ready to go into that next season. So I really like the colors that this kit has. It has lots of pretty colors and kind of some, it actually has some kind of purpley colors too, which I kind of talked about in one of my other videos using purple. But yeah, this is kind of a soft, pretty color, so I really like that. And so if you have not subscribed and would like to, I'm going to leave a link in the description box to the kits. Like I said, this is the August kit, so I will leave a link to that so you can check it out if you want to. I hope you enjoyed watching the unboxing for the August kit, and I hope to see you next time for my next video. Thanks so much for watching. See you then.